Okay guys, this is Mac again, and today just wanted to bring you a quick tip on how to zero your slugs for your shotgun. Now, as you can see, I loaded up my Fiocchi low recoil slugs and put my IPSC target here on my post, and I stepped off 50 yards because that was the kind of space I have here in the edge of this field. And very important, what you should do is use these 1 inch, or I guess it's about an inch, pieces of wood here, target hangers, and you need to try to aim and hit right in the middle of that wood. So I fired one shot here, target was right here, but it actually knocked it off, and that's pretty much where I was aiming. So to zero your slugs for your shotgun, just put up a 1 inch piece of wood and just hit it right in the middle in one shot, and there you go. Now your shotgun slugs are zeroed. It's Mac again. Be safe. We'll see you next time.